Hi everybody, welcome back to your Tech Tip of the Week. I'm Laura Simsick, the Marketing Manager for Networks Unlimited. This week's Tech Tip will be combining and separating cells in Excel. And the beneficial thing for this is in order to manage lists your way. So you might get a list of names that have the first and last name in separate text cells, and you want them put together. So there's an easy way to do this other than just typing everything all out again, which can get a little tedious, especially if you have hundreds and hundreds of names and addresses to choose from. So let's get started. So you'll actually start by typing in a formula. And the formula is the equal sign. You'll select the cell that you want, usually the first name, the ampersand or the and symbol, quotes, space, quotes again, another ampersand, and then the other cell that you want, which is usually the last name. Once you have this typed in, you'll hit the enter button, and then in order to drag the formula through all the other cells so you don't have to type it in every time, you will go to the lower right hand corner until you see a little plus symbol, and then hold that down and drag it through all the other cells, and that will copy the formula into the other ones. You have combined your cells. Now to separate. It's a little bit different, but you don't have to type a formula in. So to separate cells, you're going to select the cells that you want to split. You'll go to the Data tab on top of your options, and then you will click the button that says Text to Columns. A screen will come up and it'll say delimited, and that is okay. You can click Next. You will check the space button because space is the thing that you want it to recognize in order to split it. So you'll check that box and then uncheck all the others if any are clicked, and then you'll hit Next. We want the text field, so we'll check the little circle next to the word text, and then we will select the cells to put our new text in. And to do that, we're going to click the button that's to the right of the destination. Once you select all the cells to put the new text in, you can click that button once again, and then you will click the Finish button. Once you click the Finish button, it should have separated all of your text into two different cells. And so with that, you've had your Tech Tip of the Week. Have a great day.